Welcome to the New Zealand Driving Theory Test. Question 1. What does this sign mean? A. One-way street. B. Merging traffic from the left and right. C. Fire hydrant ahead. D. Bridge ahead. The correct answer is B. Question 2. Should you pull over and stop if you see a police car with its red and blue lights flashing behind? U. A. Yes. B. No. The correct answer is A. Question 3. When must you turn your vehicle headlights on? A. 30 minutes after sunset until 30 minutes before sunrise. B. In fog. C. You can't see 100 meters ahead of you. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. Question 4. What is the safest option to make a right turn on a narrow country road when there is traffic behind you and a vehicle coming towards you? A. Put your high beams on before you turn. B. Warn the person behind you that you will be slowing down by pumping the brakes. C. Move to the left and wait until the vehicles behind have overtaken you before turning right. D. Stay far left as you can but indicate right. The correct answer is C. Question 5. What should you do if a dog rushes out in front of you? A. Put on the brakes and swerve to try and avoid hitting it. B. Slow down as much as you can. If there's no other option, then hit the animal. The correct answer is B. Question 6. What's the maximum cc of a bike that you are allowed to ride as a restricted license holder? A. 50 cc. B. 125 cc. C. 250 cc. D. 400 cc. E. 660 cc. As long as it's LAMS approved. The correct answer is E. Question 7. What does this sign mean? A. Parking only within 100 meters of this sign. B. Ahead there is a pedestrian crossing. C. The speed limit is 50 kilometers per hour. D. The speed limit is now 100 kilometers per hour. The correct answer is D. Question 8. What does this sign mean? A. In 35 meters there is a fire hydrant. B. A corner in 35 meters. C. The recommended speed for this corner is 35 kilometers per hour. The correct answer is C. Question 9. When riding at night, what is the most important thing to do? A. Slow down. B. Use your low beam headlights. C. Ensure you are more visible. D. Follow the vehicle's taillights in front of you. The correct answer is C. Question 10. Both signs are held out and you are coming up to a school patrol crossing. What must you do? A. Stop until the signs are pulled back in. B. Continue driving if the children are not ready to cross. C. Stop and wait until the children have crossed. The correct answer is A. Question 11. The 2-second rule has what purpose? Check any that apply. A. Overtaking vehicles are able to move back into the line of traffic safely if required. B. To give you enough time to stop if the vehicle in front stops. C. If required, 2 seconds is enough time to stop in any weather conditions. The correct answer is B. Question 12. While driving, are you permitted to talk on a cell phone? Check all that apply. A. Yes. At any time. B. Yes. With a hands-free phone kit. C. Yes. To make an emergency call if it's unsafe to stop. D. No. The correct answer is B. C. Question 13. You see this sign when you are coming up to a one-lane bridge. What must you do? A. Stop and cross the bridge if there is no traffic coming. B. If there is traffic coming towards you across the bridge, then stop and wait until it's clear. C. You have right of way across the bridge, continue on. The correct answer is B. Question 14. On a loading zone, when may you park your vehicle? A. At no time are you permitted to park here. B. You can only park here on weekends and after business hours. C. You can park only for the amount of time shown on the sign and only for the purposes of unloading. D. It's between 10 p.m. and 4 a.m. E. At all times during business hours. 8 a.m. to 6 a.m. The correct answer is C. Question 15. You must give way to all vehicles that will cross your path from your left when coming up to a roundabout. True or false? A. True. B. False. The correct answer is B. Question 16. You must check that there is space for your vehicle on the other side of the line when driving across a railway level crossing. True or false? A. True. B. False. C. Only on crossings that don't have signals and/or barrier arms. The correct answer is A. Question 17. Does the driver of the blue car have to give way? A. Yes. B. No. The correct answer is A. Question 18. Does the blue car have to give way? A. Yes. B. No. The correct answer is B. Question 19. When riding on bitumen after a rain, what is the main danger? A. Glare from the sun. B. Road markings and manhole covers. C. Wet bitumen is very slippery. D. Other vehicles. The correct answer is B. Question 20. A motorbike is often not seen by other road users. Why is this? Select all that apply. A. Drivers of other vehicles fail to look. B. Motorcyclists wear dark colors and are hard to see. C. Compared to a car, a motorcycle has a small profile. D. Saccades, minute eye movements that render us blind for fractions of a second at a time. The correct answer is C. D. Question 21. What should you do if you're driving in a funeral procession? A. Keep your headlights on dip. B. Drive with your hazard lights on. C. Toot your horn. D. Drive with all your windows down. The correct answer is A. Question 22. What does a warrant of fitness show? Select all that apply. A. The vehicle is safe to be on the road. B. An approved WOF inspector has inspected the vehicle. C. The month the WOF expires. The correct answer is B. C. Question 23. What should you do when opening your car door if you look in the mirror and see a cyclist? A. The cyclist will be able to see you if you open it slowly. B. Open it quickly and try and get out of the way. C. Wait until the cyclist has passed. D. Toot your horn before you get out to warn the cyclist. The correct answer is C. Question 24. Does the driver of the blue car have to give way? A. Yes. B. No. The correct answer is B. Question 25. You must signal for at least 3 seconds before making a lane change to your left. What else must you do? Check all that apply. A. Check your blind spots. B. Slow down. C. Speed up. D. Tap your brakes to warn the other drivers. The correct answer is A. Question 26. Which vehicle must give way? A. Red car. B. Blue car. The correct answer is A. Question 27. What does this sign mean? A. Roundabout ahead. B. Recycling center ahead. C. One-way traffic ahead. D. Traffic merging ahead. The correct answer is A. Question 28. A reflectorized triangle on the side of the road means what? A. Approaching is a breakdown or crash. B. There are roadworks approaching on the right. C. There's a concert ahead. D. There's a one-way bridge ahead. The correct answer is A. Question 29. What does this sign mean? A. Drive with caution, the road ahead has stones. B. Warning, the road ahead may create holes in your tires. C. Your windscreen may be hit by falling trees. The correct answer is A. Question 30. Does the blue vehicle have to give way? A. Yes. B. No. The correct answer is B. Question 31. What does this sign mean? A. Bridge. B. Roundabout. C. Tunnel. The correct answer is B. Question 32. On a motorbike, which brake is the most powerful? A. Air brake. B. Rear brake. C. Front brake. The correct answer is C. Question 33. When no broken yellow lines have been marked, how close can you park your vehicle to the approach side of a pedestrian crossing? A. 5 meters. B. 6 meters. C. 1 meter. D. 10 meters. The correct answer is B. Question 34. When traveling on a motorcycle, which items are required by law for a passenger? Select all that apply. A. Helmet. B. Boots. C. Jacket. D. Leather pants. E. Goggles. The correct answer is A. Question 35. What's the maximum distance in front and behind that your load can extend when carrying a load on your motorcycle? A. 1 meter each way. B. 5 meters each way. C. 2 meters each way. The correct answer is A.